Replacing the battery in your 2018 Toyota 4Runner key fob is a simple DIY task that can save you money. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To get started, you'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, or plastic pry tool. You'll need about 5 to 15 minutes. It's important to avoid static electricity, so ground yourself before you begin. Work in a well-lit area to avoid damaging any of the internal components. Having these things ready will make sure you can successfully replace the battery. First, carefully pry open the key fob casing using your screwdriver or pry tool. Some models might have a small screw that needs to be removed first. Once open, gently remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up, the positive side. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same way. Carefully snap the key fob casing back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the key fob to make sure it's working properly. If it doesn't work, double-check that the battery is installed correctly. If it still doesn't work, the fob might need reprogramming at a dealership, but this is rare.